CBFI 20-ton automated ice plant project demonstration. Project design based on HACCP standards. Automated upgrade solution for small and medium-sized cube ice plants. CBFI holds multiple patents for large edible cube ice machines. Ice plant components, water treatment, ice production, ice packaging, ice storage and other auxiliary areas. CBFI cube ice machines feature energy-efficient design, simultaneous ice making and defrosting, saving up to 50% more energy compared to small ice machines. The ice mold of the cube ice machine is made of anti-corrosive material copper-plated with nickel, acid-resistant cleaning, with a service life of up to 10 years. Exclusive design of ice dispensing device, automatic ice dispensing, distinct particles, non-sticking. Fully food-grade, enclosed ice conveyor belt and elevator, reducing the risk of ice contamination. Vertical automatic packaging machine stands out for its simple operation and high stability. Adopting advanced 3-side heat sealing technology. Ensuring sturdy, impact-resistant packaging, while also providing excellent moisture and dust protection. Packaged ice bags are temporarily stored in the ice storage area for sale.